Hi, this is Arshad and Sanika here. We are the owners of plot number 7 at Aranyaka Farms, and I believe it has been 2 years, 2.5 years.
Yeah.
And we had a very interesting memory of the first time we came to Tapovan. We had already explored few other developers, some other locations near Bangalore, and we did not find anything. She was looking for something which had the natural elements. I was obviously looking for something which was in the right price range. And I think the first time we came here, I think our reaction was the same, love at first sight.
Yeah. From the entrance itself to, I think, plot number 1, the kind of mango trees we had on both the sides. Overall, the simplicity of the place, the natural vibe, the calmness, the peace.
I think one very standout feature was the experience, the hospitality.
Yes.
When we were sitting there,
Yeah.
we were having lunch with the sales. I think it was Ajay
Ajay,
and
yes.
his team, and they had this very nice, master plan board.
Oh, yeah.
People were putting stickers, sold. And we saw that plot number 7 is available.
And we just immediately put our sticker on
Which
it.
was this? And we came, we saw the plot. It had got
Yeah.
a very nice forest next to it. It has got a very nice aerial vibe. You get nice ventilation. We immediately went back and like, Ajay, plot number 7.
Yeah.
And,
I think it was maybe we just saw this plot for like 5 minutes and we were like, yeah, it's all sorted. We can see the forest from
love at
here.
first sight.
Yes, we could see the forest from here, and we immediately started planning, like we'll be building like this kind of house, we'll put it here, we'll put the pool there, and so many other things happened.
By the way, our first plot, we had never purchased any plot before.
Yeah.
And there were obviously a lot of questions. Both her and my family were also, questioning us कि पहला घर farm house कौन लेता है? And but the legal support that we got, the overall, the payment terms that we got, everything was so very well structured.
Always wanted to build a different, out of the box kind of, but an inside the box kind of a house, right? And then I think we decided to go ahead with our experience center for Saharsh in this, wherein we wanted to display how prefab works, how modular homes work, and we went ahead and built this house. Also to ensure sustainability, we took up refurbished shipping containers and built this house in a very modular design.
A lot of people frequently ask us that what was the idea of doing this modular experience center. Well, our take on that is modular living has been very popular in US, UK, New Zealand, Australia, and people have been living in off-grid modular houses for the last 20-25 years.
And why not India?
Yeah,
Right?
and model villa, so that people can actually come and experience it. And all those people who are actually experimenting with trying something new can spend a night or two here.
Yeah.
And they can get comfortable with the idea of container living.
Yeah.
Just in the last
Modular living.
modular living, yes.
Yeah.
And in the last couple of weeks, we actually spoke to someone who has purchased a plot again in Aranyaka's phase 4. She wants to move to Tapovan permanently. She plans to live here with her husband and kids, and she has been talking to us for the last few months. She has been here many times.
And we are building it around.
We are
now.
developing the modular 3 BHK house for her. If you want to try this, please feel free to come and experience this. We are almost an hour's drive from Electronic City. Very beautiful. You will have a great time. Once you come and experience this, you can always reach out to us. We are at Saharsh Cabins, and we would love to help you develop modular dream house for you. Happy to help, happy to serve.